Hey guys, it's going on Kick It. We're playing about DIY Play-Doh. Okay, Kick It. Let's play. Let's kinda go. Wait a few minutes and let's try to parlor our hair.
Hello guys.
Hey guys, Kit, children, tell me. There are so many. Okay, this is our books like that. We are here. Now my name is Kit. She's Buckler.
Hi guys.
Hey guys,
Hi guys.
my name is Kit.
My name is Kiki.
And I'm gonna show you.
I'm just see you.
I'm gonna show you how to count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, siyam. Oh my god. Oh my god, why it's only this Kit. He wants to curl my hair. Okay?